Hi everyone, I am from Mitson Learning here, and today I'll be sharing my experience with the Power BI Complete Introduction course on Udemy. If you're looking to upskill your data analysis and visualization game, this course might be the perfect fit for you. The course is designed to provide a comprehensive introduction to Power BI, a powerful data visualization and business intelligence tool. Over the course of the program, you'll learn how to connect and transform data, create stunning visualizations, and build interactive dashboards. By the end of the course, you'll have the skills to analyze and present data effectively, helping you make informed business decisions. This course is perfect for anyone who wants to gain a solid understanding of Power BI. Whether you're a business professional looking to enhance your data analysis skills or a data analyst looking to streamline your workflow, this course has something for you. It's also great for students who want to gain a competitive edge in the job market by adding a powerful tool to their skill set. The course is divided into 6 modules, each focusing on a different aspect of Power BI. Here's a brief overview of what you'll learn. Module 1, Introduction to Power BI. In this module, you'll get a comprehensive overview of Power BI and its capabilities. You'll learn how to navigate the Power BI interface and connect to various data sources. Module 2, Data Transformation and Modeling. Here, you'll dive into the world of data transformation and modeling. You'll learn how to clean and transform data using Power Query, create relationships between data sources, and build effective data models. Module 3, Visualization Techniques. This module focuses on creating stunning visualizations using Power BI. You'll learn about different chart types, how to design effective visualizations, and how to use Power BI's powerful features to create interactive and dynamic dashboards. Module 4, Dashboard Design and Interactivity. In this module, you'll learn how to design visually appealing and interactive dashboards. You'll discover techniques for effective dashboard design, as well as how to use features like bookmarks and drill down to create a dynamic and engaging user experience. Module 5, Data Analysis and Storytelling. Here, you'll focus on the art of data storytelling. You'll learn how to analyze data, identify trends and patterns, and communicate your findings effectively. By the end of this module, you'll be able to tell compelling stories with your data. Module 6, Putting it all together. In the final module, you'll bring everything together and apply your new skills to a real-world case study. You'll work through a comprehensive example, connecting to data, transforming it, creating visualizations, and building an interactive dashboard. While the course itself is comprehensive, it's recommended that you supplement your learning with additional resources. The course instructor provides a list of recommended readings and tutorials, which you can refer to for further exploration of Power BI topics. I thoroughly enjoyed this course and found it to be an excellent introduction to Power BI. The instructor's teaching style is engaging and easy to follow, and the course material is well organized and comprehensive. The hands-on exercises and real